Hello students. So today I will be telling you here in this session how to create blogs, how to create online blogs and offline blogs. Okay. So first of all I will tell you what do we mean by blogs. Now blog is what? Blog is a kind of discussion forum, a kind of informational website where we can share our content, where we can share our work continuously with a group of people, a peer group of people we can always share the work with, right? It is a portal where a writer or group of writers can connect together and can share their ideas, views and opinions. Now there are variety of websites available where we can go and create our blogs. For example, blogger.com, wordpress.com, and there are so many, right? So let us start creating a blog with the website blogger.com. So when I type blogger.com on my URL, this kind of page, this home page will open in front of you. You have to click here, create your blog or sign in. When you click here, you will be asked to register with your registered email ID. And as soon as you insert your email ID here, you will find this kind of page. See, I have already registered my email ID on this website blogger.com, and I do not have any blog right now here. I am going to create a new blog here. So this is my welcome page of blogger.com, right? I do not have any blog right now, so I will create a new blog here. Create new blog. Now title, what could be the title for my blog? Say I will write IT tutorials, right? Now what could be the address I can have? I will have csitip.blogspot.com. This could be my blog address. Now theme you can select from here. So say I will be selecting this theme simple and then create blog. IT tutorials was created successfully, so my blog is created successfully. Find a domain name for your blog and connect it instantly. I do not want to do this right now, so no thanks. So this is my blog IT tutorials, which I created just now in front of you, right? And then what I'm going to do here is I will write something now. I will create a post here. So new post. This window will open in front of you. Now what would be the title for my post? The title could be, say, creating blogs. Okay, and I want to write something about this topic, so I will write blog is a discussion. I'm just writing sample text. No, you can share your work also, whether if you have any work. See, you can change the settings from here. You can make the text bold, italic, underline. You can change the color. If you have any link to share with, you can link it using this link with a web address or link with an email address, wherever you wish to. If you want to insert any picture, you can insert the picture from here also. See, picture you can upload it from your computer, from the blog only if you want. If you want it from your phone, you want it from your webcam, you want it from your Google album, you can add images here also. You can add videos also. You can add emojis, special characters also, and there are variety of options available as whatever kind of formatting you want for your text or whatever you want to share. You want to share a link, you want to share a video, a audio, a picture, you can go through these links, explore these links, right? So I will be writing blog is a discussion forum where we can share our ideas. Say this is my sample text. Now what I'm going to do here is I can save it, I can preview it, I can close it, and if I want to publish it globally, so publish. Right, so this is my post 1. See here, this is my this was my title, creating blogs. So view, I'm going to view it. So the theme which I have chosen was simple. So this was the background theme which I selected. This is the blog which I created. Blog is a discussion forum where we can share our ideas. Right now there is no comment. Anybody can comment here, whosoever is connected with me. And this is the thing, this is the page. So this is how you can create blogs online. There is one more website called WordPress. Same way, you can go there and you can create your blogs, right? So I'm closing it now. Right now, let me tell you how to create offline blogs. So for offline blogs, what I'm going to do here is I will open a Word document. This is my Word document. This is for offline blogs. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is I'll go to the file option. I'll go to new. See this blogspot here. Create. To start blogging, register with your blog account. If you can skip this step, you can do it afterwards. So register now, register later. I will be registering later. Enter your post title here. Say I am writing success. And what I want to write about success is success comes with hard work and determination. This is what I want to write. Okay. Again, same way, if you want to insert any picture, audio, video, you have it here. And then I have one option here, publish. So publish. Before publishing a post, you must register with an account. So when you register with an account, choose your blog provider. My blog provider was Blogger. So I will go to the next option. It will ask you for username and password with which you have created your blog account. The registered email ID and password you will enter here, and then you click on OK. Your blog will be posted there. So this is how we create offline blogs. And online is you can go to the web portal and you can write your blogs there. Right? I think everybody understood this thing. Word cannot publish because I haven't entered the username and password. Okay, so I think everybody is clear with how to create blogs online and offline. You can try using it once again. Okay, so try it once again, practice it. Thank you.